That was the bell. You're already late. Take a seat. Back in my day, kids showed up on time for class. Anyway, I am Mrs. Crabtree, and I am your 5th period data analysis teacher. Most kids don't like me, but I'm not sad about it. Today we will interpret data through the median. This is important. Pay attention. The median is the value in the middle of a set of data when the data is organized in numerical order. Today you're going to find the median of my 1st and 2nd period test scores, so I don't have to. The scores for 1st period are represented on the line plot. A line plot is a graph that displays data using dots or the letter X above a number line, showing the frequency of each value. It is probably bad, but let's look at the data. On this line plot, the numbers represent the number of questions correct, and the dots represent the students. 7 questions were answered correctly by 1 student. I write 7 once. 8 questions were answered correctly by 1 student. I write 8. 9 questions were answered correctly by 2 students. I write 9 2 times. And 10 questions were answered correctly by 3 students. I write 10 3 times. The values are in numerical order, so I cross the values off one at a time from the beginning and then from the end until there is one value left in the middle. 9 is the value in the middle of the data. The median value is 9. Let's look at period 2. I'm expecting the worst. The data for period 2 is organized in a table. A table is a way to present information using rows and columns. The columns represent the student's class number and the questions correct. The rows represent the questions correct by each student. I'm sure everyone forgot, so I will tell you again. The median is the value in the middle when the data is in numerical order. It is very important that the data is in numerical order, or the median will not be correct. I use that robot lady on my phone to write the values on the chart in numerical order. She told me this was right. I cross the values off one at a time from the beginning of the list, and then from the end of the list. Back and forth. This time I am left with 2 numbers. To find the median I average these numbers, but that's easy since they are both 5. The average is 5. Therefore the median value is 5. Those chatty kids didn't do as terrible as I predicted. After 52 years, I am still one fabulous teacher, I guess. Class dismissed.